Hey everyone, let's explore how you can check your CareCredit credit card balance. Stick around till the end to grasp all the details. To start, you can easily check your CareCredit card balance using the CareCredit mobile app. Simply open the app on your smartphone, log in with your credentials, and voila, your account balance will be displayed on the homepage under the Summary tab. Alternatively, navigate to the Activity tab to sign up for an e-statement, which will also show your available balance. Another method is to access your CareCredit account via their website. Head over to carecredit.com, log in with your credentials, and on the main page, you'll see your account balance. If you prefer receiving statements, you'll get your CareCredit credit statement every 30 days, which includes your account balance, activity, and payment information. Lastly, you can always reach out to CareCredit customer support. Give them a call at 1-866-893-7864, and a customer care agent will assist you in providing your balance. Make sure to have the necessary information ready when calling. And there you have it. That's how you can easily check your CareCredit credit card balance. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.